we are replacing the cabin filter in 2020 Honda HRV. It's going to be behind the glove box here. And we need to lower the glove box, push these stoppers in like this. Then you can bring the glove box down, and then you need to disconnect the damper you have here. Just push on it, and you can disconnect it. Now take this, push this tab in, pull it towards you. Same thing this side. Pull out the filter. Okay, so this one's brown. This is brand new. Now we are looking for the airflow direction, which is this right here, which is going to be down. Okay. This filter. Now, if you need one, check the description box. There's a link that takes you to Amazon where you can pick one up. And just get the cover, snap it back on here. Okay, like that. Get the glove box, close it, and then damper over here. It just snaps back on. Pull it towards you. Snaps. And you're all done.